Welcome back to Unboxing Tech. I know some people picked up Galaxy Buds Live at the same time they pre-ordered the Galaxy Note 20. You probably already have a case for Galaxy Note 20, but if not, you can check out my last video for some suggestions. Cases for the Galaxy Buds Live are still pretty limited in selection right now, so I have tested out a couple of great cases from my favorite brand Ringke to share with you today. First in line, we have the Rinky Slim X case. By the way, I was sent these by Rinky for review. I have a Slim X case in clear, matte clear, and black with me. These are hard cases made of polycarbonate, meaning they are hard thermoplastic. It's very lightweight and made to last a longer period of usage compared to soft and flexible materials. Installation is pretty straightforward. The top and bottom pieces are separated, so make sure you have both of them lined up correctly. Just put in the buds case bottom first, then put on the top. Push down on both pieces until you can hear a click, and that's it. The case itself is uncomplicated in design. The top piece has these raised ridges in each corner. These are very useful in making sure the body of case doesn't get scratched and helps with keeping up any direct impact that might transfer shock directly to the Buds Live. And if we flip the Buds Live over, there is a silicone pad on the bottom of the case. This silicone pad grips on the tabletop to keep your case from slipping and sliding all over the place. There is also a loophole, so you can use a carabiner to latch onto your bag or with your keys. These three features are great for extra protection to the charging case itself. However, one thing to note is that there is a big hole at the bottom of the case. I believe it's to help with wireless charging, but it is a place where dust may be able to get in. The silicone rings does provide an edge, so unless you're very unlucky, I don't think scratches on this area will be a huge concern. Overall, I really like this case and I think I might use it regularly for my Buds Live. The clear looks beautiful with this mystic bronze, but if you're not into clear look, you can also pick up other colors. Moving on, our second case today is the Rinky Hinge case. Just from looking at it, the Hinge case isn't that different from the Slim X. It's also made of hard polycarbonate and the general thickness and weight are very similar. To install it, just pop the bottom part into the case first, then close the top over it. The case should catch on the edges of the device. It only comes in clear, and there is a microdot patterns on the case that will prevent the case from sticking onto the device and creating an oil mark. There are a few other cosmetic differences, such as lack of the raised corners and silicone rings on the bottom. The biggest difference, as you can see, is the hinge. The hinge itself is a standard barrel hinge, where a barrel-shaped piece is inserted into a hollow space to allow movement. The hinge part does raise a little above the edge of the case, but it makes your Buds Live look like it has cat ears. So I'm into it. To be honest, I do feel a bit of resistance when opening the case, but it's very minimal and shouldn't affect the actual usage of the Buds Live at all. You can also wireless charge the Buds Live without removing the case, or you can use a cable if needed through the cutouts. Each purchases of the case should come included with keyring and carabiner. I already have it installed, as you can see. The Galaxy Buds Live is small enough that you can just hook it onto your keychains or bag without being an annoyance, and since it has a case on it, you don't have to worry about getting scratched up and damaged. Because the Hinge case and Slim X case appeal to different needs, I won't say which one is better or worse, but I hope my little video was able to help you in deciding which one you prefer. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!